Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today I've got a happy birthday, Tina, for Tina's Sissy Nails. It's a water marble fluid art hosted by Tinkerbell 1970s and Diana. I can't say her full title. I'm sorry. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 and Low and Away as my base coats. And here are the polishes to water marble with. Shady Pines, SB13, and SB14, as well as Tropic of Cancer. These are all bases loaded slash, Braves Diva polishes. I've got my liquid latex applied to my fingertips. I got my room temperature water sitting right here, and we're going to do double bullseyes today. A little different, but totally worth it. You can get some really good looks out of this. You just got to make sure to drop the drops kind of close together, like in timing, so that, they don't totally, one side don't totally take over. And there are probably other ways of doing this, but this is how I learned how to do it. So I've got my bullseye built, and I'm going to try to get my toothpick in my hand so I can draw a design. And I'm not doing anything fancy today. Nope. I'm just going to do like drags from one side to the other, kind of making swishes. Flames or whatever. You can call it shape whatever you want. Now I am going to do my thumbnails separately, and then on the next two cups I'm going to double dip. I'm going to have two nails in the water or going into the water at the same time. Once I got my nail dip down in there, I'm going to remove this excess off the top of the water. You do not want to leave that because it'll get stuck on your design coming out of the water. On this one, I'm going to remember to go around the nail with the toothpick to break that seal, so that when I go to pull it up, I don't pull any of that up. I don't remember that on the other ones, so I got lucky and it didn't mess anything up. But, it can. So it is good to go around the cuticle with something to bust that polish. And I am using my little tweezers to get off this latex, and it's a little sticky. Imagine that, latex being sticky. So I decided to just grab a piece of tape and get the rest of this up. Get most of it. There we go. One more little piece over here. Oh, goodness. It is stuck like well, I'm not going to say it. Anyway, got it off. So we're going to do this again. Now, I have sped the video up a little bit because I wanted to show doing all the nails on this one, just because I was doing a different kind of water marble. I normally just do one bullseye, but this one's just a little different. And since I'm double dipping the nails, I figured, go ahead and do it, right? So I'm just building those little bullseyes up and trying to get the polishes out of the way so I don't knock them over. If y'all been around for a minute, you've seen me do that before. I'm a messy player. And the cup is, the polishes around the edges are starting to kind of dry, and it's because this is a longer maneuver, doing, the extra drops and all that. But also because it's humid and hot here, and the air conditioner is running. And it's always running, so I can't wait for breaks in between it to shut off. So they are drying up a little faster than normal. So I'm working pretty quick, and I sped the video up. Once again, I've got my fingers dipped down in there, and I'm going to use this toothpick to go in and get the excess polish off the top of the water. And now my latex is stuck together, so I'm just going to take my tweezers and kind of snap it. Oh, snap. Get that off. Sometimes it comes off like perfectly, and sometimes it doesn't. Don't get discouraged. And your latex may work better than mine. I'm just glad to have it. Because I would hate to be cleaning all that polish up off of all that skin. I will have links for everybody that is participating over on Instagram. It will be posted down in the description box of this video. Go over there, wish Tina a happy birthday. Go check out everybody's manicures, and you know, maybe subscribe to them, or however it works over on Instagram. I'm more of a YouTube person myself, but I do enjoy Instagram, and the collabs are a lot of fun. So there we go. We got our bullseyes going. We're going to just kind of zip back and forth on this one. I do wipe that toothpick off on that paper towel on the side, just so I don't end up with any blobs of polish in my design. I don't want that in my design. So here we go. Oh, don't play with it too much, Tina. I am bad about that, y'all. Okay, here we go. I think we're ready. Alright, we're going to dip. Pick a spot and go in. And then we're going to clean up that excess again, just like we did the other 2 times. I was really excited about this theme, though, because you guys know I love water marbling. I love fluid nail art also, but I just went ahead and stuck with this. And Miss Tina, if you watched this video, I do hope you enjoyed it. I hope you had a wonderful birthday and was treated like a princess on your special day. There we go, trying to struggle bust the latex off. Like I said, sometimes it comes off really good and sometimes it don't. You know, I'm starting to figure, I've used it a little bit more often here lately, so I'm thinking that maybe I need to brush it on thick, and that seems to help. Okay, I did get some bubbles on a couple of my nails, and I just smushed them down with my finger. I don't know if I'm going to show that, but if you see me actually touching the nail polish on my fingernails, that's what I'm doing. I'm just trying to mash them flat so that when I do the top coat, they don't just pop and smear. I've used some Q-tips to do some cleanup, but now to get the big stuff. And now I'm going in for my fine-tune cleaning with my cleanup brush and acetone. Getting all up under that nail, and got some more latex hanging out. There we go. I'm going to finish my cleanup here. As always, I enjoy when I get a chance to do a water marble. It's one of my favorite nail arts to wear, to do, to play with. But I'm going real close around everything and getting that all cleaned up. Even up under the nail. Okay, you are going to get to see me kind of tap, 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 push them. I know Miss Colette from My Simple Little Pleasures uses her orange wood stick. I just use my finger. I am going to top these with Poshe top coat, and that top coat really smooths it out. It makes it blend together so nicely. Once again, go check out the other folks on Instagram. Check out Miss Tina, and I got a swatch photo coming up here real soon, like now. And that is it for me today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.